Razorpay versus Wise. Two leaders in money movement. One all-in-one solution for India, one global juggernaut. Which one really delivers? On the left, Razorpay, all-in-one payments and banking for India. On the right, Wise, simple, global money without borders. Let's skip the buzzwords and find out which platform is truly right for you in 2025. Each category earns points, so by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top, and the winner might surprise you. Let's pull up our mind map. Here are the categories where we'll compare Razorpay and Wise. We've got geographic focus, currency support and FX fees, payment methods, pricing and fees, features and integrations, and finally, regulatory compliance and security. That's our roadmap. Let's start with geographic focus. Razorpay is, honestly, laser-focused on India. It's got super deep coverage of Indian payment options, UPI, cards, net banking, all that goodness, and is basically engineered for Indian businesses who want everything to just work with local rules and banks. But if you're outside India or want to operate in multiple countries, getting set up with Razorpay is either tricky or straight up not possible. Wise, on the other hand, is all about that international vibe. We're talking over 80 countries with the ability to hold, send, and receive in more than 50 currencies. You even get local receiving accounts in major economies like the US, UK, and Europe. It's not as India native, but if you want to go global, Wise wins this round. Okay, now let's talk currency support and FX fees. Razorpay, great for INR transactions. Totally compliant for handling rupees. But, and it's a big but, when it comes to converting currencies for international stuff, not only do you get hit with higher conversion rates, but there's a pretty limited list of currencies you can pay out to. Now, check this out. Wise uses real mid-market FX rates with a teeny, super transparent markup of usually under 0.5%. You can hold or send in 50+ currencies. Seriously. It's hard to find anyone cheaper or more straightforward for money conversion than Wise. Quick heads up though, while Wise is epic for global currencies, it can't give you an INR account for local Indian payments. Still, overall, Wise is the clear winner for this category. On to payment methods! Razorpay absolutely shines for India. It supports cards, UPI, net banking, wallets, the whole deal. If you want your Indian customers to actually pay you, you've got to make it easy, and Razorpay nails that. They even automate GST invoices and local payouts. So much less hassle. If you're looking outside of India, though, their methods are just not as robust. Wise swings the other way. It sticks to bank transfers and virtual debit cards, and lets you manage balances across currencies. But if you want a one-stop checkout, shopping cart-style setup, or to accept in-person card payments, Wise just doesn't have it. So for payment methods, Razorpay takes the cake. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Wise was actually founded because its creators were sick and tired of sneaky bank fees on international transfers. And now, Wise saves users billions. Yeah, literally billions of dollars in currency exchange costs every year. That's wild. Now for pricing and fees. Razorpay is pretty transparent about costs if you're an Indian business. You'll see instant settlement options if you want your cash fast. But there are extra fees for international payments and currency exchanges, and things just aren't as clear once you go cross-border. Wise makes a big deal about this. They have no monthly fees, ultra-low FX markups, and you always see exactly what you'll pay even before you hit send. The only small catch is there's a tiny charge for FERC paperwork and a fee if you're receiving over 10K per invoice. But still, for price transparency and lower FX fees, Wise is definitely the winner here. Features and integrations. Let's get into the nerdy stuff. Razorpay is crazy good for Indian startups. API, plugins, tons of no-code stuff, automated GST and TDS compliance, disbursement tools. Basically, it's a toolbox for Indian SaaS companies. The catch? Things can get a bit complicated if you have unusual or non-standard needs, especially outside India. Wise, meanwhile, is much more streamlined for global stuff. They've got a solid REST API for bulk transfers, virtual cards, and super simple setup. But they don't do recurring billing or subscriptions out of the box. And if you want a full shopping cart, you'll have to cobble things together. Between the two, if you're building for India, Razorpay's integrations and automation are just unmatched. All right, last but not least, regulatory compliance, and security. Both guys play it really tight. Razorpay is locked to all those Indian finance laws, UPI and RBI rules, GST, you name it. If you're non-Indian, yeah, there's more friction. Wise is FCA regulated, has banking-level security, and is all about global compliance. Sometimes, if you're doing something unusual, like crypto, you might get flagged. But honestly, both are rock solid here, just focused on very different audiences. This one's a tie. Let's put everything we've talked about onto the radar chart. Honestly, Wise totally owns the international and currency angle, while Razorpay is the absolute boss when it comes to serving Indian businesses and local payment flows. The chart really shows just how different their strengths are. So, what's the verdict? If your life revolves around Indian payment methods, regulatory stuff, and automating compliance, then Razorpay is your go-to. But if you want to send money worldwide, hold multiple currencies, and pay the lowest FX fees in the game, Wise is seriously unbeatable. A lot of SaaS teams actually use both Razorpay for their Indian ops and Wise for basically everywhere else. Ready to make your payments life easier in 2025? Whether you're looking to streamline checkouts in India or manage money across the globe, check out Razorpay for Indian solutions and Wise to go international. Happy building!